Stop using drag and drop prefabs in the scene and group them with creating empty game objects. It's a waste of time from now. EasyTools is here to speed up your workflow, to help you create level design faster than default. Buy this toolset, make a prefab palette from your prefabs. Then create your groups, everything you need to have organized hierarchy. Then create them in center of viewport and you can floor them on the ground by a click. Use a very powerful grouping tool to have a very organized hierarchy, fast and easy. EasyTools has group list feature. Every group that you create adds to group list to manage your created groups. Easy select them, make subgroup for them, move your game objects under them, or destroy unwanted groups. Also, you can set your favorite game object as a current group to move other game objects into it easy and comfortable. EasyTools also benefited several great features to deal with game objects. Make them floor, place or duplicate them in center of view, or replace a game object with a new prefab. Here is everything that you need to speed up your workflow in level design.